video, I'm installing this beautiful chocolate curly wig here from Luvmehair. They were kind enough to send it over for me to install for you guys and just show you the quality. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go ahead and jump into it. And y'all gotta let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. Hey guys, so let's get started with installing this wig. So the first thing I did was put this unit onto a mannequin head. I knew that I wanted to pluck out that hairline just a tad bit because I was keeping it as a middle part. I knew I wanted to have a lot of forehead exposure and hairline exposure. So I was like, let's get it together and pluck it out some. So that's just a little more thinned out. So that is like, in this process that you see right now, it seems like, oh, it only takes you like a minute or two, but realistically, it takes longer. Maybe about 20 minutes is what I would say. Because you want to be real careful, you know, once you pull that hair out, ain't no going back and reversing what you just did. So you have to be really careful and, you know, just be sure about where you're plucking it at and how much you're taking out. So my advice, do not rush this process. So now you see what it looks like compared to one side being plucked and one not. And I definitely like the plucked out side better, but you can wear it how it comes. You don't have to do this step. This is just something that I prefer. So now you see what both sides look like plucked out. So now that I've done that, we can get this unit installed. So I'm just showing you how the cap is made, how the wig is made. You have a closure, you have an elastic band, you also have adjustable straps. I'm utilizing all of that, okay? I'm going to use my elastic band. I'm also going to use the adjustable straps to make the wig like a tighter fit. Now I'm just trying to see where I want the wig to sit. My cap was showing a little bit too much throughout the lace, so I'm going to add some makeup onto it so that way it doesn't appear so out there, but you'll see that it's gonna disappear in just a second once I get the full wig installed. So I'm just going to do a glueless install using some Ebin spray to hold that wig in place. I'm pushing the hairs back with my rat tail comb just to make sure that we don't have any hairs that are going to end up staying in the opposite direction that we don't want it in. I feel like that's a good step to take too, is pushing your hair back, making sure it's all clean before you cut the lace off. So I spray underneath the lace, and then I'm also going to spray on top of the lace, and then I'm just going to put on the elastic band to hold that wig in place so it can tie down a little bit. Now, if you guys noticed, I did not put any lace tint spray on this unit before installing it like I usually do, because today I'm going to use a tinted mousse to see how that comes out. So now we have the lace cut off, and as you can see, there's still some flashback right there. The lace is definitely showing, so we got to get that blended in. And I'm going to spray it again with some Ebon Tint spray, just dry it down a little bit more. And while that's drying down, I'm going to move on to putting some product into the hair to get those nice, juicy curls back in play. So I'm using some water first, of course. We want to get the hair a little bit damp. Then I'm going to move on to this Curl Days Shine Gel that I'm going to just put through the entire wig, because it kind of holds the hair in place, but it also gives it a little bit of shine, and also gives with the oil that is inside of this product. And you guys can see the before and after compared with product and no product. You can definitely wear this wig with product if you want to, or without product. It's your choice, honestly. And then here's when you'll see me using this mousse. And the clip didn't finish because my camera died. But all I did was go and do my makeup afterwards and add bronzer, because you can see that that's still like going to be on my forehead when the clip ends. But all I did was just add bronzer and use a little bit of alcohol to take the tinted color off my forehead, and then we were good to go. So this product actually works, and I will be using this process some more in the future. Have you guys tried tinted mousse before? If you have, give me some tips. Let me know what you think about it. I want to hear. Okay guys, so we have gotten this full wig installed now. Let me know what you guys are thinking about it. I'm loving it. I love how this little hairline situation came out. It looks bomb. I went ahead and added a couple of baby hairs off camera, but I plucked it as well. I did not bleach the knots. I added a little bit of makeup to that parting space, added some products to the hair to get it nice and curly, make it still look healthy and hydrated. I think it came out very pretty. And also on top of that, this closure is giving frontal, and it's not even a frontal, y'all. It's a closure, but it is definitely giving frontal. And I love that for me, because closures are just so much simpler. They're so much easier to install. So I feel like if you want to get into the lace world, try your closure first and then migrate over to the frontals. but the closures are just going to give you a lot easier and quicker installation process. The hair is super duper full. The color is very, very pretty and luscious. I like it. It's giving, guys. You should try out this hair. If you are interested in it, make sure you check out my description bar below. I'll have a direct link to it. That's all I can say. I'm fall ready with this beautiful brown chocolate hair, okay? I'm loving every bit of it. But that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.